It works! After you've boiled the potatoes, you're gonna take your potato and all you're gonna do is just smush it. Spray olive oil, because this is the greatest invention on the planet. I'm here for it, okay? Actually, the recipe called for a cookie sheet. I'm gonna put these in the oven and then we're gonna make the sauce. Half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream, add some salt. All right, I'm gonna add some pepper. Oh, Dijon mustard. Oh, only a tablespoon. All right, so make a hole. Let's see if this works. And then he just used it to squirt. It works! This is such a game changer. I actually can't even stand our baby dill. And we're gonna do the parsley. All right, so now I just incorporated in. All right, so we got some green onion, okay? So when we talk about crispy potatoes, this is what we're talking about. Do you hear the crunching? There is the potatoes. And why you want warm potatoes is so that it incorporates and grabs all the flavor. Ready? Let's top it. More green onion, parsley, and baby dill. You guys, feast your eyes on this.